Is it recording?
Yep.
Yeah. I think he's hurt though.
No, he's alright because he's standing on his legs.
Are his claws?
His tail is back to normal now.
Just sit him in the grass. It'll just take him a minute. You want me to go sit him down?
That plant right there.
Which one? This one that's right here?
Away from all the other birds.
Hey, little birdie. Just gonna sit you down. It's okay. He's scared. He's not.
You gotta pick him up.
How do I pick him up?
Very gently.
Like this?
Yep. He'll move his legs a little bit. Don't worry about that.
He won't nip at me or anything.
No.
Really.
If he was going to nip her, he would have done it.
Oh, look at him. You don't. He won't let go of me. You don't want to get in the plant, little baby bird? There go. There go, little baby bird. Y'all sure we don't need to take him somewhere?
Probably leave him alone so he can get himself together.
Do you want me to put some bird seed in there?
No, he's fine.
Poor little baby. Alright. Let's go in and leave him alone.